If you need to increase your confidence to take IELTS exam, or if you feel that you're not good enough to take this test, don't worry. So I'm here to help you increase your score. If you want to know everything about IELTS, SAT, or other international exams, click on the bell button to receive all my updates, subscribe to my channel, and leave your like. Hi everyone, welcome back to Giseliopedia channel. My name is Gisele Figueiredo, your IELTS coach and grammar expert. So today I'm gonna walk you through the 5 most common questions about IELTS reading. Also, at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you the best sources to study for IELTS reading. So stick around for those. The first question is, what's the test format of IELTS reading? Well, you have 40 questions, 60 minutes to finish your IELTS reading, which gives you 1 minute to answer each question, as you have to fill in your answer sheet. So as you can see, time really matters. For each correct answer, you get 1 mark. As you can see, you have 40 marks in total. In order to get band 7, you gotta answer 30 questions correctly. To get band 8, 35 questions. And to get band 9, you gotta answer all of the questions correctly. So the test shows 3 different reading passages. In the first and the second passage, if you have the ability to skim and scan a text very fast, you can finish them in 15 minutes. So check my videos about skimming and scanning. I explain everything, how to apply those techniques very fast with examples. So click on my videos above. Don't feel under pressure, okay? If you follow my tips, you will make it. Let's get into the second question. How can I improve IELTS reading? I'm gonna give you my 3 top tips to improve IELTS reading. First, you gotta develop the instinct of skimming and scanning. So it's a good idea to practice every day, to practice those techniques on your daily basis. The second tip is you gotta study a lot of vocabulary and grammar as well. Some questions can be solved if you know or if you can identify synonyms, paraphrases, and grammar structures. And my third tip for you is practice often and over time. Every day, read articles from different subjects. Watch documentaries. Read and watch the news. And while you are reading, try to develop critical thinking. Come up with another idea, with your opinion, or even with a solution. If you're enjoying the video so far, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell button to receive all my updates, and leave your like. Question number 3 is, how to practice IELTS reading? My suggestion for you is to find books with test samples. That's important. Read articles, as I said previously, but I'm gonna give you at the end of this video some useful sources to help you out. Question number 4. What are the types of IELTS readings? Well, you will probably find analytical readings, descriptive readings, factual, logical, and graphics. Those readings are taken from books, magazines, journals, and newspapers. Okay, finally we reached question number 5. That's about the best sources for IELTS reading. So I have some tips for you. The first one is the book Mindset. So IELTS Mindset, to me, is the best book you can have. With this book, you are going to develop all of the skills, grammar, vocabulary, and learning strategies. Another books are from National Geographic Learning. They help you develop critical thinking, and plus, those books provide you with writing outlines that help you so much to develop your writing. Those books present lots of subjects from technology to psychology, sociology, medicine, history, and geography. I deeply suggest you to try Pathways collection. And my best tip for you is an online course on UDEMY website. I bought it and I tried it. So I'm pretty sure this is the best option for you. This course is considered a bestseller with over 100,000 students. This course is outstanding. It has got more than 80 videos, more than 11 articles, and more than 160 resources. In this course, you will be practicing not only academic tests, but also general tests. This is definitely the perfect course for you. And if you have more questions about IELTS reading or writing, listening, speaking, please feel free to write down your questions below. I'm gonna answer you personally, okay? That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my lesson. Stay tuned because in my next video, I will be talking about the most common mistakes in writing, in IELTS writing, regarding verb tenses. So, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell button, and leave your comments in the section below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.